As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200, ASINB00, BFPM-LI8, and the Performance Series, ASINB01, MQIXCN2. Seems like they're both propane gas grills with TRU-Infrared, which is supposed to be good for even cooking and less flare-ups, right?
Yeah, that's the idea. The TRU-Infrared is Charbroil's thing. But they're totally different beasts otherwise. The Grill2Go is tiny, portable, and the Performance Series is a full-sized grill.
Right. The Grill2Go has only 200 square inches of cooking space and a single 9,500 BTU burner, while the Performance Series boasts a whopping 600 square inches and 34,000 BTUs. That's a huge difference.
Definitely. Think of the Grill2Go as a tailgating or camping grill. It runs on those small propane tanks. The Performance Series is more for backyard barbecues, needs a standard 20-pound tank. Plus it has a side burner, which is super handy for sauces or sides.
The side burner is tempting, and the Performance Series can cook way more burgers at once, like 16 versus the Grill2Go's 8. But the Grill2Go is only 20 pounds, so easy to carry, and the Performance Series is almost 95 pounds. That's a no for portability.
Exactly. The Grill2Go is all about convenience and taking your grilling on the road. The Performance Series is about having a fully functional grill station at home. It even has a temperature gauge built into the lid.
Both have porcelain-coated steel grates, which is good for rust resistance and easy cleaning. But what about ignition?
The Grill2Go uses a push-button igniter, which sounds simple enough. The Performance Series has electronic ignition, which is generally more reliable, I think.
Okay, so if I need something for camping and quick grilling for a few people, the Grill2Go seems like the way to go. But if I want a proper grill for regular use at home, the Performance Series is the better option, despite being currently out of stock.
Sounds about right. It really comes down to your needs and how much space you want to grill. Oh, and the Grill2Go is way cheaper right now if budget is a concern.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.